The Shillong Armfight 2023 concluded today, the 21st of December 2023, featuring Bollywood celebrities Preeti, Jhangiani and Parvin Dabas as special guests. The All India Championship, orchestrated by the Bouncers Association of Meghalaya and the Wrestling Society, with backing from the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, saw the engagement of 1,000 wrestlers. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma graced the closing ceremony as chief guest.
Weeks before that, we had the All India National Boxing Championship out here in Shillong. And a few months before that, we had the All India Table Tennis Championship in Shillong. So you're seeing one by one, we are here there to promote our youth, because we strongly feel that sports is an area which should be promoted. And I'm very happy to see that arm wrestling is also now on the map. And I hope that in the future also, we will see these programs continuing in our state. On a lighter note, let me also share with you that there was a time when I was in St. Edmund's School in class 6 and 7 and 8, and we used to do arm wrestling all the time. And we used to always compete, and it was kind of a cultural thing that happened in the schools. And I'm sure most of our Shillong students, whether girls or boys, I'm sure that you have experienced and gone through that phase. To the extent, let me share this with you, and this again is not trying to bring down anybody, to the extent that I remember that after I started practicing arm wrestling here, of course in a very amateur way, and I was always beaten by everybody else, to be frank. I never could make it. But then I went to Delhi after that, and in class 10 I was in Delhi, and you won't believe it. So when I reached Delhi, I beat everybody in school in Delhi. So again, this is not about Northeast versus North India or Central India, but I'm just telling you the experience that I had.
So she's saying, no ma'am, Meghalaya के जो athletes हैं ना, जो लड़कियां हैं, उनका grip जो है वही, जब वो grip भी करते हैं तो आदमी डर जाता है कि my God, I won't be able to put her down. So to all the girls here in Meghalaya, Yogesh Chaudhary thinks you're a big match. And another incident Yogesh told us, some of the athletes that she tried to bring onto the Pro Punja League, their families were against it. That no, how will we go send our girls away for so many days, and it's going to be so tough. But after the Pro Punja League started airing, her family members and her husband set up a screen in the village and started showing everybody, look, this is my wife and this is what she's doing. So there's a big change in the outlook to the sport, and we at PAFI also are trying to develop the sport from the ground up. We have done so many events in so many cities, so many states, in fact even one on the banks of the Chambal River. So everywhere we are finding athletes, and new talent is coming from so many parts of the world.
And Dipankar Mike of Assam take the wins, and he has proven here today. And he has shown here today that he has the strongest arm in the Shillong Armfight 2023. And the winner of the Shillong Armfight 2023 is Yogesh Chaudhary of Haryana.